guys, this is David with Financial Phoenix. Coming to you today doing a quick source. I had to kill some time while our youngest son was in preschool today. So I went ahead and popped over a town or two over to a local Goodwill Plus, and had a just a little bit of time to kill. So we're going to go ahead and head inside, see if we can pull some profits out of this place and make this trip pay for itself. Let's head inside. All right, here we are, Goodwill Plus. Not sure exactly what that means, but let's go ahead and see what kind of deals we can find.
2 hours later.
It is cold out here, let me tell you. It is freezing cold out here. All right, guys, so we are done now. We finished up at the Goodwill Plus, whatever the plus means. Here's what we got. I'll just turn around and show you here. We got about 4 bags full. Almost everything's books. I did get a couple of other random items, but that's just some small flips. The final numbers, I'll show you the screen. I actually reset my Scout IQ every time I go on a source, so I know exactly how that source went in terms of how many accepts and rejects there were. I'll show you the screen now. I scanned a little over 300 books, and we kept 28 of them. So that's not too bad. That's almost a 10% accept rate, which is actually quite high when it comes to used books. So this was a really quality source. We got multiple books that are going to profit over 30 bucks, and the average profit, I'll have to run the numbers when I get home, but the average profit has to be at least $10 after all fees, purchase cost, everything. So this was a really great source. I don't know. I saw a lot of books that seemed like either textbooks or books to accompany classes. So I don't know if maybe some students had dumped here recently, but it was definitely a good visit. All right, so this is the final haul. These are the books that we picked up today. The profit after all fees and purchase price all are included. The final profit is going to be about $220 for this lot. So that's an awesome profit. We didn't get a single book that's over, I believe, like 1.1 million was the highest ranked book. So they're all going to sell quickly. I picked up a couple of other items as well that we're going to be able to sell on other platforms, make about another 80 bucks or so. And I picked up a few books that aren't really going to make me profit on FBA, but all I have to do is click the sell back your book icon in Scout IQ, add them to my cart, and I'm going to triple my money on those 5 books just for taking them out of the store. So you can't beat that. You don't even have to wait for those to sell. So overall, a pretty productive day. Like I said, about $300 profit for a little less than 2 hours worth of sourcing. Not a bad hourly wage to be able to pay yourself and work on your own schedule. So, all right, guys, so that's it for this video. I want to thank you again for checking in and watching another video in our resale series. We're really passionate about this, and we want to make this something that a lot of people can change their life with. We're no gurus. We haven't made it to the mountaintop. We're not the people to tell you exactly how to do it. But the thing is, we're going to give you a real perspective. We'll tell you all the slings and arrows that we've gone through. We'll tell you what's the best part about it and what's the worst part about it. Truth be told, ton more positives than there are negatives. So it's a great option for a side hustle. But we're always going to be real with you guys. So just keep checking back for our updates. We're going to have a link to Scout IQ in the description below. So if you want to start scanning like the pros, you can get Scout IQ and go from there and up your scouting game. If not, the Amazon Seller app's still free, so you can still use that as well. But we're going to try to put out some more resale content a little more often these days, after the holidays at least. We were doing a lot of couponing, which is great because Alexis kills it with the couponing. And she's going to continue to do that, but I'm going to try to contribute more to the resale side of things because a lot of folks have chimed in that they want a little more content, they want a little more information on the resale side. So that's why I want to put this out there, kind of whet everybody's appetite again about reselling. And We're going to try to keep adding to our FBA beginning series. And you're learning with us, like I said. We're not the ones telling you the perfect way to do everything, but you can learn with us, learn from our mistakes. And that way your transition into FBA or eBay, Mercari, whatever you want to do for a side hustle just goes a little bit smoother. We want you to make money. We want you to succeed. So thanks for watching, guys. And remember, save money, make money, dream big, and then get to work on your dreams. You have a good one.
Shut up and sit down.